Okay, we play the old-school 4-card Keno machines now and again. Here's a winning example of a 4-spot that will help you play Keno longer and win more often. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers. Let's look at these Keno numbers, which are already in progress.
Okay, old school 4-card. Write this 4-spot down and it will help you change your Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. Next is another 404 Keno winner in a different place of the Keno card. Let's go on to more free AI Keno numbers.
Okay, the newer version of 4-card Keno. Note, we seldom use the lower left of the Keno card, but with these next Keno numbers, you can be a winner. Subscribe for more Keno tips and tricks. Let's check out this different placement of Keno numbers. Let's go.
Yes, a 4 out of 4 on the C card. Question: do you play the bottom left of the Keno card? Tell us about it with a comment below. Be sure to copy these Keno numbers for your next casino game. Wait, let's go. I'm being told we have another 4 out of 4 winner on the other side of the casino. Let's go see.
In this video, our AI Keno numbers are here to help you change your Keno machine algorithm. Also, they can help you play longer and win more often. Let's quickly go to the other side of the casino.
Yes, another 4 out of 4. This time, it's the D card. What are you waiting for? Start playing the lower left of the Keno card. Subscribe for more of these free Keno numbers. Be sure and leave a comment below when you hit your next jackpot. Beginners.
Yes, beginners watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers, free AI strategies, and current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you and good luck.